Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig. You're going to see me install it. If that sounds good to you guys, stick around for more details. Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe Hair. I love Tinashe Hair and I work with them quite often because I love their hair so much. Every time I get a wig from Tinashe Hair, I know it's going to be a good wig. I have installed today a 16-inch 13x4. This is a Swiss lace unit. It is in 180% density. The curl texture is deep curly. Okay, so yeah, did this side off camera. I'm gonna do this side for you guys on camera. I kind of just separated the hair. So after I put the mousse, I like to spray a bit of hairspray just to hold her down, and I like to use the Ebin spray. It's actually such a good hairspray. It works really well for just anything, really. I probably shouldn't use it for everything, but I seem to have started to do that.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hear replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time.
As you can see, the lace looks pretty good, but I am gonna go in with some pretty light foundation just to blend in the areas around my hairline.
Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to
So I am noticing that there are some parts here that's a little bit longer. So So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off. I do want to try this new curl cream that I got. This is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipe. That's what it looks like. It looks similar. Oh, I don't really care for the smell, but it looks similar to my favorite Shea Moisture product. I'm gonna take a big scoop because I like my curls to be soft feeling. I don't like them feeling hard. So I like to define them, but at the same time, like, I don't want it being weighed down or like crispy, crunchy.
Got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hear replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you?
Today I have installed a 16-inch 13x4 deep curly wig. This is in 180% density. This wig is absolutely stunning. It's actually the perfect amount of hair. Up close, it is just the most beautiful curl pattern. I love the density on this unit. When I saw how much hair was on this wig, I was actually shocked. Usually with curly wigs, even 180% density, it is not this full, but it is like the perfect amount of hair for such a wig. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just beautiful. I did decide to do a side part today on this install, and I do want you guys to know I did bleach the knot on my unit. This wig is glueless, so it does come with straps. You can wear it with the strap and not secure her, but obviously we went for maximum securage. We did it all today. We have the baby hairs on point, like they're looking so good. The wig is just so beautiful. There were a few strands that were longer that I just snipped with my shears, and as you can see, it just looks perfect. It looks like a blunt cut, so it's like a blunt curl, which I think is so flattering for this style of wig, this like long curly bob, because a lot of times if you have like a shorter curly wig, it kind of goes pointed. So you can tell that this unit is a bob because the direction that the hair is going and ending. So you can see that it just ends like pretty blunt. So it's definitely giving beautiful. You guys, this is the perfect wig for spring and summer. It's only gonna get hotter unless you live in the Arctic. I don't know how the temperatures are over there, but everywhere else in the summertime, you want something lightweight and you want something that you can just put on just easily. Like, it's just always going to be reliable. This is definitely a reliable wig. The hair, you guys, so soft. Now I did put that curl cream in it, but it was soft even before that. It just took so well to just like regular water. You can definitely just style this wig with just water alone, and I promise you it's gonna look so pretty. Like, are you guys seeing this? Look at her, beautiful. Show you guys the back. And you guys, this wig can definitely get bigger if we want her to. I did let this wig dry off camera. I actually just cleaned my studio up as it was drying, so I would say it is pretty much 99% dry. Just some spots in the front where I did spray some more water to define those curls. As you can see, the curls are just beautiful on this unit. Wow, I wouldn't change a thing about this unit. I'm just really loving this unit, you guys. So soft, so full. The density is beautiful, like just absolutely stunning. This wig is Kaviar Kez approved, you guys. That is my final thought on this wig from Tinashe Hair. If you've made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day. If there's a coupon code for this unit, it's gonna be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out before you go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing, sis? Thank you guys so much. I gotta run. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.